Crataegus phenoperum, the Washington hawthorn.
Good.
It is zones 4 through 8, and it gets 25 to 30 feet tall. Beautiful white flowers in the spring, and some varieties and cultivars of this have a spectacular red berries in the fall.
Huh.
So very, very nice for that. Nice tree, good green color to it. One thing you have to watch about the hawthorn is Hawthorn. It has thorns
It has
on.
thorns.
Yeah, they have thorns on
All right,
them.
gotcha.
So you just kind of have to watch where you put it. It is
Okay.
gorgeous in the landscape, but you may not want it right up next to your house.
Okay.
Because if the little branches fall off, they might have thorns on them. So just put it somewhere where you can view it and enjoy it.
Okay.
In your in a sunny area.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.